Okay, so today is Saturday and we're going to Noah's birthday party. It's gonna be at Irving National Park here in St. John, New Brunswick. So we're on our way there now. First is we will go to Kuya Francis' house because makihitch na punta niya padong dito. And I don't know that place because I haven't been there yet. So the boss is here. Boss, ako na para di ka naman ano.
Papagod ka lang.
Natuto na. Okay, napalit pa og umot sige palit ni kay Francis. So akong pulihan og drive. Padayon na akong video later. Drive sa house. Need to be extra careful with driving, so I'm just going to take a video later. So we have to drop by here, Giant Tiger, because magpalit daw si Francis sa regalo.
Pwede makikikain lang tayo dyan ng ano.
Wala namang ano dun eh.
Kuha ka soft drinks doon, dalawa.
Lula, di na ako kahawak. Ito yung gift ko kay Noah.
Ano mo muna yung ano.
So balay na we're done with the park, and it's still 3:20 p.m. and Mipo is gonna be here by 11:20 p.m. today. So I think I'm gonna be hanging out here for a while, and I'm gonna be going upstairs and chill out with them in a few minutes. So yeah, I'm just going to see what I can do for now. Maybe I'm just going to continue cleaning my room.
Ano lahat?
Change oh, record table.
Ayun, nandiyan ka na eh. 2.7 na lagyan?
Lagay mo 2.7. Minsan lang yan eh.
5 yan, saka isang green.
Okay, so man ako ready. Adto namin sa airport taon kay sandoon si Mipo.
To be young and in love in New York City. Do not know who I am, but still know that I'm good long as you're here with me. To be drunk and in love in New York City. Midnight into morning coffee, burning through the hours talking. Damn, I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you. I knew from the first time I'd stay for a long time, 'cause I like me better when I'm with you. I don't know what it is, but I got that feeling. Waking up in this bed next to you, swear the room, yeah, got no